We expect to learn the Nebraska Supreme Court's decision on several controversial ballot measures. The court is slated to issue opinions on cases related to two abortion ballot initiatives, one favoring abortion rights, the other favoring restrictions. The court also plans to give its opinion on a lawsuit connected to a school vouchers initiative. That ballot measure would repeal a new state law providing public money for private school scholarships. The decisions will come as Nebraska faces a deadline of tomorrow to certify the November ballots.